Hello everyone, welcome to VFX. If you want to learn video editing from the very beginning, you're in the right place. In this complete editing course, I'll teach you everything step by step. We'll cover the basics, keyframes, transitions, effects, animations, text, overlays, color grading, sound design, and much more, no matter which editing app you use. Like CapCut, VN, a light motion Cut. Without wasting time, we can move on. First, open CapCut. Then add your clip. Do the following exactly. Then split the part. Add audio. To add transitions, tap on it, then choose one of it. Do on all parts. Tap on the effects. To add effects, choose one of it. Adjust it. Then add keyframe. Then zoom it. Add another and zoom out. Do the same. To add text, tap on text. Then do the same. You can select the template and fonts. Adjust it. After that, you can add sound effects on the Sound FX. After that, export the video with high quality. Let's check the final result. If you watch till the end, you got the basic idea of editing. Subscribe the channel for more helpful content and for the second part.